In this workshop, you will learn everything about how to create more impact in your communication, how to be more confident, but mostly to think more about the other. Because when you communicate, it's not really about you. You already know everything you are going to say. You really have to be engaged with the other person because they need to understand what you want them to understand. They need to do what you want them to do. So in this day, we are going to discuss how you can achieve that. Well, let's imagine you want to communicate to your team that you want a different way of working. Well, you probably think about this way of working and you know how you want them to work and you build your story. But actually the first thing to think about is, what do they want and why don't they want to work in that way? And that's how you can create an impact. And then you build your story, but not from your own perspective, but from the perspective of the other. And if you don't know their perspective, well, you have to ask questions and you have to listen to them. Please don't listen to reply to them, but listen to really understand where they stand. Because once you know where the other is, you know what you need to do in order for the two of you to get closer. During this workshop, you will get a higher awareness of your communication. You will better understand how communication works and who you are as a communicator. And this understanding will allow you to have different types of conversations in the future, both online and offline. And you will save a lot of time, not only for you, but also for the other, because you don't want to bore them with your stories, right? So please enroll and have a look at what communication looks like and how you can increase your impact, save heaps of time, gain more confidence, and get your message across. Now, we can talk a lot about communication, but why not just communicate? I really want you to experience it. So throughout the workshop, you are going to get some exercises. We're going to do some games together. Don't be afraid of role plays. We're going to keep it very, very light, but we are going to do it because that's the only way to learn it. So that's what we're going to play with throughout the day. Lots of examples, lots of exercises, and a little bit of theory and fun.